Here at Toyota Motor Europe in Belgium, we're having our second edition of the Toyota STEAM Days. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts and Mathematics. And we have taken the challenge to welcome 516 students from all over Belgium to have the chance to discover the innovation of Toyota beyond their expectations.
Ik volg een STEM-richting. Vooral dan die workshop sloot daar echt heel hard bij aan.
I really like the concept that the students can also see how it's really from the inside.
Het leuke van vandaag was vooral zo technische.
I was impressed from the technology of Toyota.
Racing cars and with the energy observer, I found it to be the most amazing thing you could do in a workshop.
We want to broaden the horizons of the young profiles, showing them real-world applications beyond any preconceived idea.